What's up, lovely people? This is NI John. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So being a biker, being a motorcycle traveler, it is always good to know few basic things about your motorcycle. It is like, at least if you know how to maintain your motorcycle, the basic things, it gives you more confidence when you go for a road trip. So from Bangalore Bikers, we organized a session called Do It Yourself, associating with Highlander Bangalore. This video is all about that DIY session. Keep watching. People who don't know about Highlander, this is a place where you can get your motorcycle service done. You also can buy accessories and safety gear from Highlander. So the venue was sponsored by Highlander for this event. The most knowledgeable and trustworthy mechanic, Karthik from Highlander, was part of this event, and Karthik taught us a few basic things about motorcycle maintenance, like how to take care of your chain, how to maintain your chain, lube it, clean it. So all these details we learned from Karthik. He also taught us how to fix puncture for tube tire and tubeless tire. So there were also a few question and answer session where some of the people wanted to know about engine oil. So Karthik taught us everything about those engine oil grades, like what those 14W50 means from an engine oil. So it was overall a beautiful session, and couple of our friends joined this session who made this DIY event more productive. Like we had Sapna from Let's Gear Up, who inspired us by sharing her knowledge about safety gear. We also had Manan from Gear and Ride, who shared his experience, like how he has come up with this gear renting portal, how he has come up with this Gear and Ride. We had Sharath Shenoy, who is a passionate motorcycle traveler, who inspired us during this DIY session by sharing his traveling experience. So overall, it was a beautiful event. We had learned a lot of basic things which every biker must know. So if you are not part of Bangalore Bikers yet, it's very easy to be part of this BB family. You can just go to the website bangalorebikers.com and click on that forum button, fill that registration form, and as soon as we approve your membership, you will receive an email, and then you can be just part of this forum and start joining our events and road trips. And you do not have to pay anything to become a part of Bangalore Bikers family. During this session, we also had Gear and Throttle House, known as GT House team, joining us from Pune. GT House is importer, distributor and retailer of premium European motorcycle gear like Shima riding gear, racer gloves, etc. GT House team educated us about D3O product, which was really very nice. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share this video with all your biker friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. That will help me to come up with this kind of videos. Thank you once again for watching this. Cheers.